Yeah, you guys can film an intro.
3, 2, 1.
Hey guys,
welcome to our channel.
You're terrible.
Get down and then we say welcome to Hallie's channel.
3, 2, 1.
Welcome to Hallie's channel.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know, my name is Hallie. I'm here with Macy and Destina, and today we are going to be doing
Makeup challenge,
the best friend makeup challenge. Oh yeah.
Let's get to it.
First things first, I'm going to be drawing a black line down the center of my face.
You want
so
us
that
to?
Yeah, I think you should.
Macy.
So that they know.
Because I'm so symmetrical.
Yeah, no, do a zigzag.
Yeah. So I'll be working on this half.
This one's like just
And I'll
like
be
a little.
working on this half.
The
Okay,
thing will be
well,
on the
that's
other
fine.
side.
Down on the ground we have like a whole makeup salon.
So
Okay.
blush first, yeah. No. What do you actually use?
Look at me.
Wait, what's this?
Yeah, that. Okay.
That's moisturizer.
You've already moisturised.
Yeah.
We'll just pretend that.
Okay, I put moisturizer
Oh yeah.
already.
I need some foundation.
So-
That's what I want to go in with first.
First, no.
Yeah.
First.
That feels so
I don't want to put on too much makeup because you're just going to end up like taking it off and then
Yeah.
we're going out of town anyway, so
Yeah, I'll just
Maybe
wear
you can
this
wear it.
out.
She's gonna look. This
this is hard. I don't usually
I
put
need like
makeup on other people.
a band on my hair so you don't get any makeup.
I'm doing a really natural look.
See, I just felt that straight.
Yeah, but you're supposed to blend it.
Look.
It's not going to be the most blended look because... Okay, so the whole point of this video was to ask questions about like kind of to get to know Hallie.
Oh yeah, I didn't explain that. So while the girls are doing my makeup, they're gonna ask me questions and I have to answer them truthfully.
Yeah. The hard part is coming up with questions, but look, the foundation's not going to be the most part about this look, okay? Because I'm not going to overdo it.
No, it's not about covering up. It's about enhancing. That's what they all say. The main event.
Concealer.
The eyeshadow
I'm not
is
sure
going
where
to be main
concealer's
part.
supposed to go, so this is a bit of a learning curve for me too.
This is an instant age rewind, so Hallie's going to look very young after this.
Like none of us actually do
I'm
makeup.
experts.
We hardly wear makeup.
Like, yeah.
But, you know, if you want to wear makeup, you've got to be inclusive. If you wear makeup, wear makeup.
Go you. Like, I would
Go
wear
you.
more makeup if I knew how to do it, honestly.
Yeah, same.
I own all this makeup because I dance and have to wear.
Yeah, true.
I feel like you're light. I feel like you're very fair today.
Yeah, she is feeling fair. She is feeling fair. She's looking. No, you are looking fair. I must admit, this must be your summer foundation.
Yeah. A question. Question. We've got to ask a question.
Yeah. Do you have a tattoo, Hallie?
Yes, I do.
Where?
I have one on my right ankle and it says smile, but like with a little. Is it called a semicolon? No.
Yeah. No, but it's,
No, it's
like,
like
a
a
colon. It's just a
Colon
normal
and then
colon,
like
I
a
think.
comma as like the I and the L, so it's like a
Yeah.
smile in a smile, you know?
Fun fact, I was actually with Hallie when she got it.
Yeah, she was.
And fun fact, Hallie didn't even tell me when she
She only found out like a week ago.
I was like, is that fake? And she's like, no. I was like,
Do you know I have a tattoo?
yeah.
Oh yeah, you've seen it. Okay. Gonna say.
Hallie just kept it
Sprung it on.
Well, do you want to get more
Find out.
tattoos, Hallie?
Yeah.
I do, but I just don't know
Look
where.
at the neckline, it's not matching.
I want to get one that says "Let me be me," like
Mhm.
somewhere,
Oh, yeah,
but in like really
so
small
good.
writing.
Do you want to ever relocate somewhere?
Oh.
If you could relocate somewhere,
Okay.
like, is that too much
But
information?
they know you're Australian.
They know I'm from Australia.
Yeah, so where in Australia would you choose to live? Or is here your dream?
I like where I am.
Yeah, we won't clarify that.
No, but I wouldn't mind to go to Victoria or like Melbourne, something like that. But if I wanted to leave Australia, which I definitely do, I'd want to live in like London. Oh god, I'm scared.
Bronzer. Oh.
I'd love to live in London.
Yeah. Why London?
Like New York.
Just 'cause.
I don't know, just because I'm really interested in their culture.
I'm doing a really like. What's your go-to makeup look? That's a good question.
My go-to makeup look is
You should have
just
taken off your jumper.
concealer. I know. Is concealer. Mascara. That's literally it. I just cover up my blemishes and then put mascara on. But if I don't have any blemishes, I just don't wear makeup and I wear mascara.
That's really good.
That looks really nice to embrace your
Natural
Natural
skin.
skin.
We're all about that on this channel.
Yeah.
And you're really into body positivity. Can you
Oh,
talk
yes.
about that?
Yeah.
Definitely.
I feel like I'm doing an interview.
You're doing a news thing.
Body positivity, how do you feel about that?
No, I love it. I love it.
Maybe
I just think people should feel good in their own body and shouldn't have to worry about anyone else's
Definitely.
feelings.
Hallie inspires me
Yeah.
Well,
to be more comfortable in my own skin.
Yeah.
Makeup's not going to make you comfortable in your own skin. So, Hallie likes boys. Well, from what we know. And
as of now.
anyway, what would you say is like, so we'll do your dream partner looks wise and then your
Okay.
dream partner personality wise.
Okay, so looks wise, I love like brunette hair.
I like it.
I love blondes. It's so cute, but I just
Yeah.
prefer
Okay, so
Brunette.
brunettes are the long term.
black hair maybe.
Mm.
I don't love
Like
but-
Austin Butler in Elvis.
Anyway, what was I saying? And then I don't care what eye color they have. I love all eyes.
Yeah.
So what did you say this was? Bronzer.
It's good.
Contour.
Contour.
So what's that there? I'm pretty sure. Can you go like that?
I'm not like big on looks for whoever I get with. Like honestly, I just want their personality, really. And for
well then what
personality, like bubbly,
Yeah.
like just happy. I don't want a depressed man.
Like. So that sounds okay. She's not being insensitive. She's just being like she wants someone that's generally happy about their life.
Because
Exactly.
Hallie's a really happy person, so she needs
It's hard to
someone
be
match
around
that.
people that aren't though.
Who aren't
Right.
exactly.
Right.
I know that some
Sometimes-
people aren't as happy as me, and that's fine.
Yeah.
But I don't want them to be all down and hate themselves and like.
Where's
You know?
some bronzer?
I'm
You
not all
want
for that.
someone that lifts your personality up to you.
Yeah,
that
exactly.
enhances. That's
Makes
what a
me
relationship's
laugh.
supposed to be, enhancing
I want someone funny
you.
and
So-
has a good smile.
Yeah, that's it.
I
nice
like
teeth.
Yes.
Oh,
nice
teeth.
teeth.
Teeth are important.
I'm
honestly.
very
Nothing
picky
wrong
with
with
I
my
know
teeth.
you can like fix teeth, but honestly, you should have got it done as a kid.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, have you had your first kiss?
Do you want to share?
This is a sensitive topic for
Okay,
me.
maybe no comment.
No,
Look,
I
it's
haven't.
completely.
I
no.
really haven't. I honestly haven't.
This is a normal thing to experience,
Exactly.
guys.
I'm 18 years old. Haven't had my first kiss. Not really
You know what? It's
looking
not all
for
kind
it. Yeah, I haven't had my first kiss and I don't really care because I know when it's right, it'll happen.
The timing will be right. That's
Exactly.
a good mindset to have.
Yeah.
Exactly.
And you don't want to rush it with someone you don't want to kiss because then you'll just regret it.
Oh, exactly.
Oh my god, if this
Do you want
someone
to
said
kiss?
to me, I'd be like, no,
I
feel
like, no, I
it should
don't
happen
want to.
naturally.
Mind you, though, he was young.
Total disclaimer, if you're going to kiss me, just do it. Don't ask me because
Yes.
But it's kind of cute.
I'll
to
freak
ask.
out.
Oh
Like,
yeah,
yeah.
like in a good way, but not. Do you want to like?
Yeah, no,
you
it
just said?
wasn't. Is that live? Yeah. Okay. It's just really white. Now I need to go in.
What? I've got a juicy one.
Natural finish. Oh, that's.
What was your first impression of us?
Oh,
yes.
okay. So,
That's so
I don't think I can remember Destina's.
Really?
No, honestly, it was like 7 years ago. How am I? I remember Macy's like it was yesterday because I only met her like 3 years ago. I'll think about Destina's. Macy's, because she only came into the school like halfway through year 10.
Yeah.
So
It was a late
and
bloomer.
she started literally on school camp. So
Yeah.
her first week at the school was at camp.
It was so
And
fun.
she sat on the bus by herself. And Destina and I were sitting together and we felt really bad. Macy was
They
sitting
thought
back
I was.
But then
alone.
remember I talked to you a lot, Macy.
Yeah, you took.
But my first impression of her, wasn't even on the bus. She came and when we were sitting, we were sitting at the gatehouse waiting to get on the bus, and she came and sat with us, and this whole good outboarding parent was there. She was like, this is Macy, and then she introduced me to Macy because she was like, this is Hallie. She's like half boarder, half not boarder because I had just left boarding. And then my first impression was like, oh goodness.
What?
That was literally my first impression of you.
Oh, like,
because,
new girl.
Yeah, and I don't know, you had like, lots of earrings in your ears.
I only had 2.
I know, but
you have 3 right
that's
now.
a lot for me back then, okay?
Oh my god.
I'm
done. I don't think you've ever told me this story.
I've definitely told you this before.
Not that I had heaps of earrings.
You had lots of earrings. Because for me, all of us back then,
So
we
you thought
were
I
all
was
little,
like
good
the
little, we
children.
were all little,
I
good
feel
little
like
girls.
At
Conservative.
school, we were
But that's
really
what I was.
conservative.
We were. But Macy was like that too. It's just that she had more earrings than us.
So she thought I was like,
But we were
And
like,
she had like, I
gay
don't know,
enough to do
and she
that.
was so perfect and pretty and skinny. And I was like,
far from.
oh. And then I got to know her and I was like, oh my god,
Very
she's
nice.
literally the exact same human
And
as
then I
me.
realised I'm a weirdo.
Yeah, she's so funny and happy and crazy like me, so yeah,
Okay,
okay, good.
good. Look, I'm going for.
And then my first impression of Desina, let me remember, oh Jesus. She was
Our
really,
looks are pretty similar, but yours is
Destina
glittery.
was really tall when we were in year 7. She was the tallest out of all of
Yeah,
us.
it was.
And I just remember she was really pretty and her teeth were really straight.
Oh, thanks.
But
So your
I
first impression of
honestly,
everyone is that they're pretty.
their looks. Well, I don't know them.
You look like you've just been punched in the back. Is it bad? Yeah, kind of. It's because I've gone all up.
No, mine's really bad.
The more I'm able to just blend.
But Destina and I weren't really close in year 7 because we were in different. Oh no, we were in the same class.
Where's the
too.
pad?
And yeah, we weren't in the same dorm. We were like pretty far away, and it was really hard in year 7 to make friends when you weren't in the same dorm.
Yeah.
But then we all eventually were in the same dorm. So
Yeah.
and then I guess we just became friends.
I don't know what. You use this for mascara, don't you?
Yeah.
Oh, Hallie, no.
That
I can't
was
use that brush. You stole that out of my hand, didn't you? I wanted that one.
Well, it doesn't look like a big slug on your eye.
No, that looks really good. Yes.
I'm not very good at makeup. So
No, that looks good.
you're just saying
No,
that. So
actually,
I can see this.
I'm gonna
big,
do
like,
the petite maybe and see, but I think your one
looks
might actually be alright.
Whoa!
Yeah, Hallie, see
I
that
spoiled
looks
it.
good. Let's do the petite.
it
and see.
looks like what would
Like that,
all the
Yeah.
fashion people, like people who like fashion who watch your channel.
I am fashionable.
Who watch my channel? I don't think people watch my channel except
What?
you guys.
What is
Yeah,
like?
true.
What would you say your style is?
I'm probably a very tomboy style. I'm gonna lie.
Like
I
old
hate
style.
dressing up. Yeah. I mean, I love dressing up when it's like my. You just know my
That looks
formal
alright.
or
I'm
like
gonna brush it out.
or like going to the races or like stuff like that where I get to put on a dress and like do my makeup and stuff. But I hate getting dressed just to like go to the shops and stuff. All I want to wear is like
Yeah.
leggings and a big
These are
jumper.
actually good, Hallie, these stamps. You need to use these.
I know. I know.
I feel like the colour's a bit dark.
But that's the lightest one they have.
I think we're done.
Yeah.
Any more questions that we should ask? Because I feel like we failed.
Yeah, we did.
Yeah, that's not bad.
Oh shit. There's
Oh, I mean, the makeup, yeah.
Oh my cheeks.
Jesus, look.
I
wouldn't
wouldn't wear this place.
It's weird because I'm then half of my face.
Where's the lid? Where's the lid? No,
Probably.
this makeup looks pretty average. But how? I'm still gonna dab.
Not working.
I think you need to line your lips.
I think. My biggest regret in high school is
bad.
keeping to myself. I wish I was
Really?
like more outgoing.
What? You were outgoing.
No, like with every like I feel like I was like very much stuck with a certain group,
Yeah, true.
and I wish I like
Us.
yeah, which is fine, and I'm happy. But I just have never been like close friends with heaps of others.
You wanted to branch out.
Yeah.
I reckon caring about what people think Like, I feel like in high school I cared so much about what people...
too.
And as soon as I graduated, I was like, I really don't care what they have to say. But, like, why did I just all of a sudden change?
That's true.
Because, like, I suppose you realise everyone can just go live their own life. Okay?
Yeah, like it doesn't even matter what those people even think, 'cause we don't even see them anymore. Are we finished?
So, should we do a close-up?
Okay, this is Macy's side.
Oh, yeah.
And this is Destina's side.
The highlighter looks good on
yes,
Destina's
it does.
side.
Look at the lips.
My lips looks better.
Yeah, your lipstick's so much better.
And then, oh, my notes are the G.
Oh, yeah, I feel like Destina might have won.
Destina.
Because it was just due to the highlight.
And the eyebrow. And then this
Turn
is
to the
Macy's
side of
eyebrow.
mine. Now, mine's not as good. The highlight is already okay, but it's...
Is this acne? Yes.
No. That was... I couldn't work around that.
Okay, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Let me know in the comments whose side you think was better, Destina's or Macy's. You can just put D or M.
I've got the do. Pick the do.
Destina might be a bit. I'll just put it on the screen. Destina.
Macy.
Macy. Hope you're having an amazing day or night whenever you're watching this, and I'll see you guys in my next video. I feel like we're from Friends right now.
Why?
Like just the way we're like so. So no one told you life was gonna be this way.
That was so okay.
Love
Your job's
life's
a
the
joke.
way.
No, your job's a joke.
Your mum's broke.
Your love life's your way.
Take your
It's
own.
always stuck in second gear. When it hasn't been your day, your week, your month, or even your year. But I'll be there for you when the rain starts to pour. I'll be there for you.
Okay, that's
Like
enough.
I've been there before. I'll be there for you. 'Cause you're there for me too.
Thank you for being here.